Mike V, Power Hour. Jesus, this feels like it's been forever, right? All right. It's feels like the easy money's been over. Okay. Listen, Mark, there's a lot of green on the screen. Okay. You have the VIX here. Stocks are acting strong. Roblox. Here's the daily on Roblox. Plenty of good ones. There's Planeteer. Oh, that's not a good one. Planeteer. Okay. You got Rocket Labs, ASTS, Uber. There's the chart on Uber new highs. ASST, the sexy stock of the day. RGTI taking calls. Look at that chart. I'm in that. Sound. You work the day after. Believe it or not. Boeing. Look at Boeing. Let me ask you something. If Boeing was NVIDIA, would you buy it? What's the freaking difference? You worked. AAP, Advanced Auto Parts, looks not bad. All right. Let's let AMD pull back. Bravo. And by the way, let's look at some other stocks that are not working. I have the dogs. RKT and bagged in this thing. 3 day down, Fibonacci, that's saying 1340. RKT, stock that calls. I held a loser. Not that bad. You've seen worse. I'll show you after. But another one that I'm holding. I'll show you what I'm holding. I'm guessing. Yeah. What am I holding? It's a loser. Oh, Valley. What do I do with this Valley, Lewis? I got enough Valley to choke Secretariat. Actually, it's not that much, but I'm not that big of a commodity guy. That's the smart people taking calls. There's the weekly support on the 50-day at 982 with 68,000 shares. But you know what? Let's look at another one. Next, Valley. Lewis, I want your opinion. Serious. BTBT. How'd that work out, everyone? Huh? I don't say it often. I don't even trade stocks less than $4, $5 anymore. That's why I'm up night precipitously. But not even knocking. There it is. BTBT. PCT acting well, taking calls. I think that's a big drunken Miller stock. Newmont, I'm in it. Yes, I am. AGI taking calls. Alamos Gold, you might have heard of it. Okay. I don't know if gold, I get, listen, there's a lot of tariffs are flying all over the place. It's the end of the window dressing, beginning of this proverbial second half of the year. I get it. I get all the underlying uh, currents. Okay, geopolitical. I get it. I get all of it. Okay, I got to stick to what I know. Range, volume, calls, price action, volatility. Okay, AGI a minute. If gold opens, if something, I know Trump said something with the countries with the. If it open, okay, next, I move on. What happened to this freaking thing all of a sudden? Baidu, zero to hero. But then you look at Bob and that JD taking all those 2027 leaps for those that are hardcore TradeGate members. Stock's still in a range, probably going to pop. Zeta, I took a position. That's correct. Oh, a minute. I'll take the Zeta. I, I, I wish it would have popped on better. Let's see what you. That's no gimme. What Zeta? Calls came in. You know what I mean? When I start saying things like I've done worse, not very confident. Although RGTI, SOUN, Boeing, small for those small spec stocks. For Jeff, drinking a that would be curious. Let's go to this animal. Jeff from Cleveland, a diehard Browns fan, hell of a good stock picker. We know what he did for a living, so he's a sound guy. He's a solid guy. What's his choice? Drink of choice in Hawaii. I would say it's got to be a rum runner. No, like, hope you're okay, Jeff. Anyway, for Jeff and the other ones, why did I bring up Jeff? Jeff knows what's going on. AMLX calls. Jeff had those calls. AMLX calls, Jeff. Look them up. June, January 6s, January 7s and a half. I don't even care. Look them up. It's worth a binary lotto play in this thing. Telling you. Newmont, Boeing, Sound. Uh, I'm not going to overpromise, but I'm going to say make a large statement here. There's major changes coming to TradeGateHub. Big ones. We're going to the higher level. You'll be happy. Oh, Lord. There's a team working up behind it. Team. Oh, well, this says a lot about one of our members, Jeff, right here. First of all, he's commenting about a stock move before his health. I get it. BTD. So I'm here. I thought you were going to correct me about drinking maybe a rum runner, and here you're in Hawaii with gallstones. Ugh, it's kind of like a. Do people still get those, Jeff? Can't they this? Yeah, they can. Duh. Sorry, man. That sucks. Gallstones. Yeah, those are the ones that hurt. Yeah, this will make you feel better, Jeff. Oh, first of all, don't trade on any medications. It's worse than drinking. Planeteer, positive all day. They're going back to QS. They're going back to EOS. Stocks that made sense had good moves. Okay, let's look at QS. You know the chart. There it is, flagging the proverbial flag. EOS, no similar thing. They're actually signed in a kind of similar group, some sort of a lithium play, if you will, batteries. BTBT, somebody's chasing it. I don't know about that guy. Gallstones. Those kidney stones. I'm not minimizing either, man. I did. Card. Is that follow? Listen, I only follow 62 people, and they're all financial. It's not like I should follow the Dallas Cowboys, that's for sure. Jeff followed. All right, so I follow 62 people. All right, one of them's TrendSpider. Scroll through it. There are decent ideas. There it is. The cup and handle breakout, Instacart. Look at the charts on DoorDash. That whole thing. Uncle, he's all over it. I'll tell you something though. You got to do some homework. There, there's some new stocks. They're rotating into some new stocks. Cineverse. There it is. Cineverse. It's an up and comer. It's got it in it. It's up to you. The only negative is big guys like Kunkel and myself know about it. So maybe there's other speculations out of it. PDD. Positive all day. PDD. Positive all day. PDD works when you never expect it to work. Except here. How do the other ones do? Speaking of Jeff. Tiger. Mm-hmm. Mm-hmm. RCL. That cool off? Okay. That could be capitulation. Not trading it. It's not like it's not, I don't feel like I'm pulling back for any of these cruise, although NCLH, I still, think, I'll tell you, I'll speak, Jeff, again, it's a bromance. Speaking of, airlines, they had a negative move today. This UAL, or one of them, negative break. This United had a chance to break out on decent volume and it failed. I don't like that. I don't like that. Especially crude fit. Here we go. Right here. Not calling anything, just don't like it, feel it. Crude finishes up 2%. Boeing volume pop. KLG. Book call ratio. All right. That's healthy. All right. People got all bared up a little bit. That's healthy. It's not bad. Not a washout. Oh, Lord help me. It's fucking Jeff. You got a thick skin, Jeff. If you watch the Cleveland Browns and all those other Cleveland teams, those the other ones shouldn't be a problem. Hedge funds are dead paired buy versus sell. Staples and industrials. They're going to pull them back. They're going to pull the community. They're going to pull back. They're going to take up the Indian. They are. You know what they're going to take up? We all love them. Double D's. Prosper is so little volatile. Nah, is that even down anymore? Now I'm showing my age. Percent gainers on the day. Assist. Okay, the percent gainers. Let's get back down to pure what got us here. Okay, if it doesn't have over 1 million shares, it should be 2 million, but I'm not interested. Assist brought it up. ARTL, not interested. Well, you know what I'm going to do? Oh, hold on. Can this go here? You bastard. Can I pin this thing? How do you pin this? Can I pin this? What do you do? Pin. How do I pin it? Oh, I know how. Watch this. I'll get sexy. Okay. I want to be able to click and also look at the charts at the same time. MP taking calls. I like that. I like it. I looked at MP before. The rotational play. Oh, this is interesting. You know what? We need a list of minerals. MP, NAK, Northern Dynasty Minerals, NAC, taking calls. My Sharona, the NAC, it's got it in it. Minerals, HBM is a mineral. Hudbay Minerals, going higher with or without you, Bob. Not in it. Not going in it. A little volume on it. There you go. That says it all. Iron. And that Mara too. That Mara worked out so good. You want them iron, they can't get enough of it. Most people get, gallstones from trading. Jeff gets it from not trading. He's on vacation and he gets them. Believe me, you'll feel better once you're signing on here, Jeff. Put some trades on. You'll do. What are we doing here? Yeah, okay. You'll feel a lot better. Believe me. Waking up at what time is it? Oh, you have to wake up real early. That's awesome. Don't even go to bed. I got a friend of mine, a guy in the room, can't call it out. I give my word. He's in LA. It's probably on now. Stock getting 52 highs at one point today. There it is. Behemoths across the board. Behemoth. 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 Carvana. Carnival. Completely different sector. JCI completely. Shake Shack. Behemoth. Hamburgers. Bank. Pocketbooks. Cruises. Music. Casinos. Video games. Freaking banks. Automated cars. Back, I feel a freaking pullback on it. Getting every hymns, getting everybody all lined up. Hymns ripping, ripping. 45 low. Coach Dale's gonna yell. He will have a 2-minute chart, but he's right. I'm gonna do a gap. Rigatoni, Zeta, Mattel. I'm in Mattel. There's another loser. I'm in the toy sector. I'm swear to God, I'm going to sell this thing. I'm not going to go down on Ken and Barbie. That's for freaking sure. I've gone down on. That's not showing up. What's going on here? These minerals, Carvana going higher. Carvana. Oh, I didn't see that. You see this? That's when it works. Carvana. These minerals, Carvana going higher. Why the hell did that happen? You know what? This advanced auto parts might work. This thing might work. I'm telling you. This stock used. Let's go to the weekly. This is advanced auto parts weekly. I might do it. I saw this other auto. Listen, it's what I do. Oh, I saw Orly go by auto parts. Orly makes auto parts. This might work. I trade Orly maybe once every 4 years. It's like a leap year. And today might be that day. Schwab, new high. Uber, here's the list. Do I have anything going up? I got a lot of AGQ, that's for sure. No, I sold it. Sound, RGTI. Now we're chasing into the close. I don't like that. Oscar, there's the bounce. EMPH, gonna go. CRCL, Unity Software, Rigatoni, Sound, IONQ positive. You know who's all in this IONQ? This is why this freaking thing's up. You got to be aware of your environment. He has pulled, this kid. He's been on TGH. Right here. Aklo. I'm in Smart. Matter of fact, I'm buying more Smart. Under the figure. I'll buy them under the figure. Aklo. Aklo has been launching. Look. So, does look good. Here's another one. What did we say was at a high? Same church, different pew. Instacart, right? There's DoorDash. Look at Instacart. Man, some of these things look good. DoorDash, Instacart, CCJ, Smart. Ooh, I don't. It doesn't have much in it. Listen, I'm not. I will say something now that I'm thinking. TOL, talking out loud. Easy money's over, and it has been easy. Believe me, I don't. You never have enough when it's easy. Smart. Keep drinking, Jeff. Aircraft. That's what happened. That's just why the Boeing pop. EU sources say upcoming trade negotiations with the U.S. could secure baseline exemptions for key exports, including aircraft. That's Boeing. Amazon. You want to see another one? Part of what we do. Amazon bullish, 400,000. Amazon coming in. Again, be aware of your environment. There's two stocks this kid's been pushing. Amazon and Aklo. Here it is. Now let's analyze the trade, whether he's right or wrong. I know one thing. It's got calls and it's got a trend. There it is. So, you're trying to you think the market's extended. You thought the same thing about Roblox and Uber. Microsoft could very easily pull back, 4% and something else go up. What else is taking? What else is not bad? This Graham. What is this Graham? This stock's been taking some sexy call at Graham. This is for everybody across the board. It really is. This stock is, I'm telling you, it's a decent stock. This stock is taking calls. QD, speculative stock taking calls. You heard it here. China stock. PDD up. There's a chart weekly on QD. China. Remember, keep in mind there's Baidu. Keep in mind there's, what's the other one? GCT pulled back. But I'm buying, whoa, GCT. I'm buying this all morning. All morning. All day. Morning. Settings. Show executions. There's me. Little blinkers. 800 here. Buy 1200 at the bid. Buy 800. Boom, boom, boom. I sold it well on the way up. Been buying it since here, right, Jeff? 18. Went to 12. Could be better. KGC. You don't mind? Buy more of that. AGQ. Buy more of that. No, I don't buy more of that. Almost gold. Double down. Buy 3200. Double down. Jeopardy. Almost gold. Am I chasing it? Doesn't matter. It's where it's going. I'm chasing it. Almost gold. AGI bought more. I don't know. It's got something. We're looking for edge, not a lock. QD, EOS. I'm out of breath. What time is it? Not bad. Not bad. GLD. I don't know, man. I don't know. Stocks lead the commodity. There's the marker. Try not to overthink it. Just freaking gave a whole pitch about it. 8-9, 8-9. But this isn't overbought yet. See, 8 when it's hot, 8-9, it's overbought. It's not overbought yet. What happens 8-9 then a 2? 8-9. And then a 2. Boom. The marker. I'll let you go. Thanks for sharing. Jose, bravo, man. Always on the ball. Always professional and proud of you. TradeGateHub, Tradeview Markets for behind us. Cheers. It's only Monday. Not much going off. A little bit. Not many things on the earnings front. You know what I mean? Stock picking more than ever. But the majority of times I say, bigger size, less positions. I would cut down the size a little bit. You know what I mean? The VIX pops.